Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to restart your GTA Online career in 2025. Let's get started. First, open up your GTA Online game and press the pause button. From here, go to the Online tab and select Swap Character. You'll see your current characters listed. Choose the option to create a new one. This will reset your current character, but don't worry, your money in the bank will carry over to the new one. However, note that properties and businesses won't transfer. If you want a full reset, you can create a new Rockstar Social Club account. This is the option to go for if you're looking for a clean slate. Just open Rockstar's website, make a new account, and start fresh. Keep in mind you'll lose all your previous progress, purchases, and bonuses. So use this one if you're really looking to restart from scratch. The last option is to delete your old character completely. To do this, go back to the swap character menu and delete your current character. This is a permanent reset, so make sure you're about it before you go ahead and do it. So those are the 3 ways to restart your GTA Online career. Hope this helps, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.